Step into the future, it's a brand new day. With eyes that never sleep, it's the Vigi way. Monitoring and protecting, keeping threats at bay. TP-Link's got your back in every single way. Oh yeah, from the front porch to the back door, every corner seen. Crystal clear footage, no more blurred screen. Day or night, we got the vision deep and wide. Vigi on your side, no need to hide. Eyes on me, Vigi sets you free. Watching your home, protecting what you need. 24/7 surveillance, never resting. Just one look and your worries are dismissed. Ooh yeah. In this digital age where security is key, Vigi's cutting edge technology is plain to see. With advanced features and peace of mind, your safety and protection will always find. No matter where you go, Vigi's got your back. Whether it's your home, office, or a different track, we're here to ensure your peace of mind. With Vigi by your side, worries left behind.